Welcome to Customer Canvas, where purpose meets product and creativity leads the way. In this fast-paced challenge, teams design bags, blend perfumes, and craft soaps, all at once with bold ideas and sharp teamwork. Start strong by designing eco-friendly vegan leather bags. Assign team roles: brand strategist, customer lead, designer, and build for real needs. Perfume making. Craft unique scents for different personas. From the minimalist to the adventurer, capture their essence. Organic soap making. End with heart. Create thoughtful soap gifts for everyday heroes. Nurses, teachers, frontline workers. Final outcome. Customer Canvas is a crash course in building with empathy. You won't just create. You'll learn to think like your customer and design with purpose.